Docmost is an open-source collaborative documentation platform built as a powerful alternative to Notion and Confluence. Designed for self-hosting, it gives organizations complete ownership of their data while providing a fast, modern workspace for creating, organizing, and sharing internal documentation, project notes, and team knowledge. The platform features real-time collaborative editing, structured team spaces, and role-based access control, making it easy for multiple users to work on documents simultaneously. It also supports rich content blocks, including Draw.io, Excalidraw, and Mermaid diagrams, allowing teams to document workflows, system architectures, and technical processes in one place. Docmost goes beyond traditional documentation by integrating AI-powered knowledge retrieval through OpenAI, Ollama, and other local language models. With built-in semantic search and model context protocol (MCP) support, users can quickly find information or interact with documentation using AI assistants. Built for businesses, development teams, and self-hosting enthusiasts, Docmost combines enterprise-grade collaboration with complete data sovereignty. Its Docker-based deployment and migration tools make it an excellent choice for organizations looking to replace proprietary documentation platforms with a secure, open-source solution.
If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe.